Looks like winter is over in Norway, so we decided to visit Vinterbro. We made a quick stop for coffee and something to eat, and now we're gonna explore the city. So, Vinterbro have a shopping center. Let's see what we can find more. Got a new ring. It's time to get a new lens for my camera. Got it! Looks like the shopping center is the most interesting part of the Vinterbro. Vinterbro? Let's see what else we can find. I'm going to see the military market. We are at the military market in Vinterbro. You can find a lot of useful stuff over here. Markets like that are very periodical, so be fast and come to Vinterbro if you want to buy something. In 3 minutes to the bus, what a luck! And we are back in Oslo. Now it's time to go home, and I'm gonna show you what did I buy in Vinterbro. Time for unboxing and to actually see what did we buy in the Vinterbro. First of all, I got one another ring to my collection. More than that, a new lens to my camera. As some of you know, guys, I'm a Canon shooter. If I'm gonna do any review of this lens, which probably gonna happen, I'm gonna leave the link somewhere over here or over here. We got some neck sleeves that keep you nice and warm, and also they are really customizable, that you can use it in many different ways. Another one in different color, warm hat, because it's May, but it's still damn cold in Norway. And if not for today, maybe it's gonna be for the winter. More than that, nice little set for maintaining your shoes that has some shoe polish inside and some brushes. 2 pocket knives. One I already had, the one that I use in most of my cooking videos, and another one that I really like. You're gonna see very soon in my next cooking episodes. It's a little bit bigger than the previous one, but I kind of like it. And the last, it's a special little flask for my alcohol fuel for my stove. Isn't it cute? And that's all. I hope you enjoyed my little trip to Vinterbro for this shopping expedition. And if you want to take part in this military market, I think you have few days until the 22nd of May. That's all for now. See you in the next one. Ciao! Yes! Did you hear that? There's only few so satisfying sounds and few so satisfying moments when you get a new gear.